What is up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles, and today I have a 2015 Yamaha V Star 950. Take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Starting here in the back, I'll see the back tire. Plenty of tread left on there. I'm gonna call it like 60%. Definitely good to ride on. Would be good for any kind of state inspection because you got your license plate holder, have your two turn signals here, and you have your tail light. Those are all in good shape. Coming up here on the side of the fender, you can see that all the stuff is in nice shape, including this chrome on here. Cleaned it up just a little bit, but it was pretty nice as it was. You can see that black rear wheel in there, and you can see the rear brake. This bike does have the 2-in-1, the Vance & Hines exhaust pipe. All the chrome on that is really nice. It just wiped it down with the rag, and the chrome really popped. Of course, you have your rear peg there, and you have your rider floorboard here and your rear brake. See here in the motor, you see all the chrome on there is in good shape. Same on this side. Putting everything down here. See all that. The side cover is in nice shape. Come up on the tank here. Got some light little marks right here at my pointer finger. There and there, and a little mark right there. Other than that, the paint and everything on the tank is in really nice shape. It's a nice color with the black and silver offset with the chrome. There's that. There you can see the black front wheel. Black front wheel just like the black rear wheel. As you can see, the fork tubes here, they're in nice shape, upper and lower. Jump over on the other side. See them there. Coming down to that front brake. There's that wheel from that side as well. See that the front fender's in nice shape. Sometimes we see some chips or some things up here and here. And I don't have any of that on this one. I do have one mark. A little bit hard to see, but it's in there at my pointer finger. There's your front tire. See your front tire. A little bit lower than the back tire. Has some wear on it, but still in pretty decent shape. I'm gonna call it like maybe 40%. Sorry about that. Here we got the look at the tank on this side. Do have one little chip on the tank up there at my pointer finger, and right there at my pointer finger. Again, I like the black and the silver and the chrome all looks really nice together. There's just a little bit of flake in that paint. There's the chrome on here. Motor's in nice shape. Same with the transmission. Transmission, it is belt drive. There you can see the belt guard and the swing arm going back to the rear wheel. Got your rider floorboard, got your toe shifter, got your heel shifter. Of course, you have your kickstand there. And you have your there's your passenger peg. There's that belt guard. There's the rear wheel from that side. Here on the rear fender, underneath the seat, we do have these like fade marks. Kind of weird. I'm not sure if maybe they changed the seat and it was something that sat against there. Possibly there were some saddlebags on here that went underneath the seat to go over to the other side of the bike. Not really sure, but they are there. There you go. Come up here to the seat. Got your passenger seat here. Pretty firm seat, in really nice shape. It is only a 2015. It has very few miles on this bike. I think it's like less than 2,000 miles. Seat's in nice shape, no tears or anything like that. Same thing here on the main rider seat. All the seams are good. And no tears or anything like that. So coming up over the tank, of course you get up here to your gauges. Have that, have your fuel cap. Of course you have your clutch and controls on this side. You have your throttle and your controls here. That front brake, the ignition up here. Let's turn it on. Got fuel pump run. Like I said, less than 2,000 miles, 1,323. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you watch the test drive on YouTube. Let's fire it up. And front signal on this side. There's your rear signal on this side. And your rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2015 Yamaha V Star 950. It's got the Vance & Hines 2-in-1, 1,300 miles. If you're interested in this machine, watch the test drive on YouTube and check it out at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.